Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review about instant hot water heater shower, energy efficient, high power. In the pursuit of comfort and efficiency, homeowners are constantly seeking ways to enhance their daily routines. One such innovation that has transformed the traditional shower experience is the energy efficient high power instant hot water heater. This cutting-edge appliance has gained popularity for its ability to provide on-demand hot water, ensuring a luxurious and energy-efficient showering experience. One of the key features that set the energy-efficient high-power instant hot water heater apart is its energy efficiency. Traditional water heaters often maintain a constant temperature throughout the day, leading to energy wastage. In contrast, instant hot water heaters only heat water when it is needed, reducing energy consumption significantly. This not only helps homeowners reduce their carbon footprint but also contributes to lower energy bills. The energy efficiency of these heaters is attributed to their advanced technology, which includes precise temperature control and rapid heating elements. This ensures that users enjoy hot water instantly without the need for preheating or excessive energy consumption. The term high power in the product's name isn't just a marketing gimmick. It accurately reflects the impressive performance of these instant hot water heaters. Equipped with powerful heating elements, these units can quickly raise the temperature of water to the desired level, delivering a steady and uninterrupted flow of hot water. Whether you're looking to enjoy a long, relaxing shower or need hot water for household chores, the high-power instant hot water heater ensures that your demands are met promptly. This high-performance capability makes it an ideal choice for households with multiple occupants or those with a high demand for hot water. Another notable aspect of these instant hot water heaters is their compact and space-saving design. Unlike traditional water heaters that require a dedicated storage tank, these units are tankless, meaning they heat water on demand without the need for a large storage space. This design not only saves valuable square footage in your home but also allows for versatile installation options, including wall-mounted or under-sink placement. The compact size of these heaters makes them particularly suitable for apartments, smaller homes, or any space where optimizing room is essential. Additionally, the absence of a storage tank eliminates the risk of standby heat loss, contributing further to their energy efficiency. Installing the energy-efficient high-power instant hot water heater is a straightforward process, making it a convenient choice for homeowners and professionals alike. The absence of a storage tank simplifies the plumbing setup, and many models are designed for easy wall mounting, reducing installation time and costs. Maintenance is also simplified, as tankless water heaters generally have fewer components that can wear out compared to traditional systems. Routine maintenance typically involves flushing the system to remove mineral deposits, ensuring longevity and sustained efficiency. Safety is a top priority when it comes to home appliances, and instant hot water heaters are equipped with advanced safety features to provide peace of mind to users. These features may include temperature sensors, pressure relief valves, and flame failure devices. The precise temperature control not only prevents scalding but also allows users to set their preferred water temperature, enhancing the overall shower experience.